Here I have the new Galaxy Z Flip 7, and say hello to its little sibling, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. One is the smartest, most powerful yet, the other is more accessible than ever. But starting at $1,100 and $900 respectively, what can you expect? Let's get into it. I'm going to start with the Flip 7. This is the clamshell flagship, and it's also where you're going to get all the improvements Samsung has been working on since the Flip 6. Right off the bat, we've got the Flex window or cover display, now measuring 4.1 inches. That's up from the 3.4 inches last year, with a much thinner 1.2mm bezel. It's the largest cover screen ever in a flip phone, just beating out the Razer Ultra's 4-inch display. The Flex window also isn't just for widgets anymore. With features from the S25 series like the Now Bar and Now Brief, the Z Flip 7 can proactively surface the information you need without you ever needing to unfold it. And thanks to Gemini Voice, you can now talk to your phone's assistant directly from the cover screen. Think plan trips, send messages, even launch apps, all with natural voice prompts and zero unfolding. Of course, the Flip 7 does unfold and reveals a larger 6.9-inch display, up from the 6.7 inches on the Flip 6. The display is also slightly wider at 68.6mm, giving you a bit more room without compromising the pocket-size feel. Now let's talk about cameras. We've got the new 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel selfie cam on the main screen. The Flip 7 also supports Samsung's upgraded Pro Visual engine for better scene detection, improved low-light performance, real-time filters, and default 10-bit HDR video. FlexCam is also smarter too. Thanks to its multimodal Galaxy AI, you can literally point your phone at something and ask Gemini about it. Whether you need to check out an outfit or want to learn more about what you're seeing in front of you, just flip, ask, and let Gemini do the work. In Flex mode, you also get auto zoom and auto framing, making it perfect for group shots, solo filming, or creator content, once again reminding us that these flip phones are still targeting the lifestyle audience. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 runs on Samsung's next-gen 3nm processor and packs a 4300 mAh battery, the biggest ever in a flip. Samsung estimates you'll get up to 31 hours of video playback. We'll see how that battery holds up in our web surfing test, the one we run on every phone and laptop we review. If you want to see how the Flip 7 stacks up, make sure to subscribe. And then there's the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. It's smaller in price, but still smart where it counts. You still get a cover screen that's more like the Galaxy Z Flip 6's, so it's not as large, but big enough for notifications, Galaxy AI prompts, and even Gemini on Flex window. There's still a 50-megapixel camera optimized for selfies and social content, still runs Galaxy AI, still folds into your pocket, and that's really all there is to it. It's coming in at $200 less than the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and starts at a smaller 128GB of storage. I do think the price is a bit of a bummer. If it were about $100 less, it would make more of a difference and gives us more of that FE accessibility that Samsung usually delivers. With the Z Flip 7, we're talking more power, more AI, more screen, without getting any bigger in your pocket. And now with the Flip 7 FE, you don't have to spend quite as much money to get that futuristic phone. So whether they're both worth buying, we'll cover that on our channel in a review that's coming up as we get closer to launch. Let me know in the comments which one you like, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 or the FE. I know I'm particularly interested in the camera, but we'll have to see. From Tom's Guide, I'm John V, and I'll catch you in our next video.